Rang'iny manyasani e bwo tielo mar ariyo mar bero kuonde dak mogore pachoka mong'ere kaka Informal Settlements Improvement Project. Chenro makama dhi muonyo kwan omenda maromo siling milion 268. Chenro makamani itayo gi sirikal mar Kenya kod piny owacho ma kaunti ma Kakamega kokalo kuom bengi maduong' mar piny mangima kata World Bank, French Development Agency kod riwruok pinje Ulaya kata EU. Chenro makamano geto kuonde dak ma Amalemba, kambi Somali, mjini, Lukoe to gi Shibale e alwora ma Mumias.
Tumekuwa tunaishi kwa giza, wakati unaenda unatoka maybe biashara zako na kuwa attacked, maana ni giza. Lakini kwa sasa naona hata unaweza rudi nyumbani wakati wowote unafikiria. Juu tumeletewa street lights na pia naona barabara wakati inaendelea kumalizika pia tutakuwa sawa.
This is a project that we are hoping that will have an impact on the lives of at least 3,000 people at the Amalemba informal settlement and also other settlements. It will help uplift their people. It will help them access, it will help in giving reliable accessibility to other amenities.
KISIP within Kakamega County is actually structured in 3 contracts. One being Lot 1, which is being undertaken in Mumias municipalities, the 3 settlements in Mumias, which is being undertaken at a cost of 152 million. Under the second lot of contract, which is being undertaken in 2 settlements within Kakamega municipality, it's being undertaken at an approximate cost of 116 million. We then have the small works, which is being undertaken majorly in 4 settlements, and this is within Amalemba, Kambi Somali,